Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Nextdoor app not working. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're trying to launch the Nextdoor app, but for some reason it's not working for you. How do you actually go ahead about fixing it? Now, there's multiple ways that you could actually go ahead about doing this. The first way that I recommend is actually going into your app store and making sure that Nextdoor is up to date. So if you go into the app store on our iPhone device, and then search Nextdoor, what'll happen is that when you search for the Nextdoor app, it'll either say update or open. But if it says update, just go ahead and update it. Now check and see if the app works. Next, if you hold your screen and then let go, and then swipe up on the Nextdoor app, this will actually do a soft reset on the app. So again, you could actually check if it works and try that. But other solutions that I've seen with other people is making sure that you're connected to the Wi-Fi might be an answer perhaps. But I hope this video helps you out, guys. If you guys have any other solutions, let me know in the comments down below.